This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 17 Packages I. Java's packages and interfaces enhance the language versatility and popularity, providing containers to organize related classes in a structured manner while preventing naming collisions and controlling visibility and accessibility. The Java Development Kit contains numerous bin packages that offer pre-written classes for common functionality like input-output, operations, mathematical computations, and graphical user interfaces, promoting code reuse and allowing developer to access a wealth of predefined classes and methods. Developers can also create and name their own user-defined packages using the package keyword to specify a directory structure for organizing classes, with hierarchical package naming enabled through dot notation for subdirectories and established naming conventions to follow. Packages play a crucial role in improving code organization, maintainability, and reusability, with a recommended hierarchy directory structure and a systematic approach advised for effective management of code across different modules, while access modifiers control the visibility of information across packages. In summary, Java's packages and built-in APIs enhance the language's versatility and popularity, offering structured code organization, naming collision prevention, control visibility, and a vast array of pre-built functionality. While mastering the effective use of packages requires continuous practice and adherence to established conventions. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.